Welcome to Lithium Valley, a global leader in energy storage solutions. Today I'll take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art production workshop where advanced technology meets precision craftsmanship. As you can see, our workshop is designed for efficiency and precision. Each section is equipped with advanced technology to ensure quality and productivity. Our process begins with cell sorting. Each battery cell is scanned, sorted and prepared for further assembly. Next, the cells are stacked and insulated with high-quality materials before being securely bound into modules. Our laser welding technology ensures precise and reliable connections between cells, minimizing resistance and maximizing efficiency. So let's see what's next in this process. Follow me. Each module undergoes rigorous testing, including insulation, voltage, and performance analysis to meet our strict quality standards. Here at Lithium Valley, every battery undergoes rigorous aging tests to ensure long-term reliability and performance. This process involves controlled temperature, cycling, and performance monitoring to guarantee our products meet the highest standards. Quality is everything at Lithium Valley. This is where technology meets sustainability. At Lithium Valley, we are committed to powering the future with reliable and innovative solutions. Thank you for joining us. Hope to see you soon.